Hi, I'm Bryan Tomczuk with Brown Stevens. Let me show you around 430 West 34th Street, apartment 5D, a spacious one-bedroom in Hudson Yards. This spacious one-bedroom features a massive 27-plus foot living room. Large north-facing windows showcase views of 42nd Street and beyond. The living room could be divided to create a second bedroom if so desired. Moving into the kitchen, which is the chef's quality kitchen. It features marble countertops, glass tiles backsplash, real cherry wood cabinets, tin ceiling detail, and stainless steel appliances, including a Viking 30-inch range with convection oven, Fisher & Paykel 2-drawer dishwasher, and a Vest Frost refrigerator. The renovated bathroom features white subway tile and 2 medicine cabinets. All 3 closets feature hanging and shelf storage systems, and 2 have motion-activated lights. The king-size bedroom has plenty of room for dressers and a desk. 430 West 34th Street is a full-service building with 24-hour doorman, live-in super, laundry room, a gorgeous planted and furnished roof deck with new furniture. Building has an amazing central location, just 1.5 blocks to the ACE trains, Penn Station. The new 7 train is a block away at Hudson Yards. And you are 1 block to the Hudson Yards Mall, where you find the Vessel, Equinox with a rooftop pool. And also you are right near the Midtown West, where you'll find Whole Foods, an outdoor ice rink, Peloton studio, a Daily Provisions, Citizens Food Hall, and you are also in close proximity to world-class restaurants such as Siamo, Zuzu's, and you're also very close to the High Line. The new Moynihan Station is just a block away, which features a new food hall that has a Jacob's Pickles, many different restaurants, bakeries, and coffee shops. Thank you for touring this apartment. If you would like to view in person or have any questions, please contact me.